Hello and welcome back to another episode of Saigon Crib. Brian here, and I'm here going to take you on another tour. So we have a tour today that we went on with Erica, who's from London, England. And she just moved to Vietnam, and she just started working with the school downtown, which just started her new job. So the purpose of our custom search today was to find for the best apartments on the market that matches the style that she's looking for and also that works within her budget. Also, Erica plans to purchase a motorbike. So she plans to drive to work, and she would like to have a place that, that's easy, convenient for her to drive downtown and also, be close enough to the action with nightlife activities, restaurants, places where people meet up in expat communities, right? So that's one of the important things that she wanted to consider with her apartment search. So we first started the search here at Eco Green in District 7, which is a really nice location. It's located right next to the bridge, takes you straight to downtown in District 1. So it's a really good location as far as having a commute to work. So that was the really important part of the search. And so that's the reason why we chose to take our first look at Eco Green. So let's go on in.
It's good to have a look and
It's
see,
good, yeah.
and then do like the comparison.
Right. Absolutely. Okay, this is the first one. So this is a 3-bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bedroom here, your primary bedroom there.
So this is the master room?
No, your primary will be here.
That's the master.
Yep, this will be the master. Yeah. So that would be the master. Nice decor though. This is nice. Let me go out to Yeah. Look at this leather chair. This is interesting. That's your swimming pool down there. Yeah. Some nice decor. Looks like a little cleaning and some repair. Definitely cleaning and dusting all of that. So as far as the inspection wise, nice size bed here. Blackout curtains in the sheer, really nice. Nice closet space with the LED light. That's a nice touch. Samsung with the digital inverter. Brand new air cons there. Soaking bathtub there, really nice. Okay. How about 23 million for this one. 23 million. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Nice built-ins. I mean, would you turn one into an office? Like, what would you do with 3 bedrooms, or just have 2 spare rooms? This is nice.
One is a kind of dress room.
Oh, right.
Quite a lot of-
Right. I can imagine. Yep.
So I've used one, and then like this one for my family come over, like a spare room.
Right.
So that's kind of what I was thinking.
So you're gonna have 3 closets. So basically, it's about having 3 closets instead of right.
I don't need 3 rooms.
Right. Yeah.
Let's do the 2, because then you start buying more things.
Right. Nice washing machine. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we'll need a deep clean and yeah. Wow. Yeah, exactly. That's true.
It makes me feel like, oh God, it's clean 3 rooms.
Right.
So thinking of the cleaning as well.
Indeed.
Daily cleaning.
Right.
I think it's okay.
There's also housekeeping here. It's very, very low cost.
What's the house?
You can get housekeeping here. I'd say average is like 100K per hour.
Okay.
You're normally booking like a 2-hour session, so like it's like $8.
Yeah, that's probably our money, £6.
And some people, some people just do that like once a week at least to help do the whole house for you.
Yeah.
And you just
I
maintain.
think I probably do it maybe once a month, because I like to just
Or just a deep clean.
myself. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
intercom system for guests. All right. Next one. We'll head down and walk to the next tower.
So and how far are we from Fumihong?
So from Fumihong it's not far. You
How's
are
the bike?
on a bike. It's literally the next light over down the highway.
So that's quite
Down
nice. For like
so
eating.
5 minutes. Oh yeah. So there's a big mall there called the Crescent Mall. It's like a nice lake, has all the food court.
Yeah.
So you got that. It's a very, suburban. Like I that's the only way I can explain it. Like a very suburban.
I kind of feel that. And
It's not city. It does so it's a little quieter from the downtown city, but there's enough people. It's just basically it's spread out here, right? So in some of the other cities, Bintan District 1 is more like a concrete jungle. It's congestion. Everyone is on top of each other. In Bintan, a lot of districts, District 1, all that, everyone is very close. And here in District 7, the streets are wide. There's a lot of big parks. People with pets come here with their dogs, and with families, kids can go play. And like that's the scene here. Yeah. A lot of Koreans and Japanese live out here. A lot of professionals. So this is like more of a business area. In the Fumihong, there's a lot of Korean restaurants and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's.
you won't really get like a lot of street food and things there.
Yeah, you get street food everywhere. Street food is everywhere. Oh yeah. Every district you got decent street food. District 4 has the best food.
Yes, I've heard
District 4 is like I have no idea why, but
I think that's what someone's kind of like standing out.
yeah. I lived in District 4 when I first moved here, and I loved it because it was right next to District 1. If you want to go in the city, but it still has this like Vietnamese vibe. You got the markets and stuff.
Did they say it's like the kind of the gangster district?
Well, yeah, it's calmed down. It's calmed down. But yeah, it was the gangster District 4. Wow, that was literally their turf.
Exactly. Territory.
Did you show me a picture of this one?
No, I don't think we got no.
Shoes.
Yep, shoes off. Oh, leave it on. Okay, it's a little bit dirty. Okay. No, this one we didn't see yet. So this is a basic one, basic sofa. You probably want to change the sofa. So apartments like this is more like empty slates. If you want to kind of decorate yourself, of course you can negotiate. If you don't want to pay the money for an extra sofa, you can ask the owner.
This is the bedroom. I think is this the master? That's similar size actually.
They are similar.
I think
they're just the same. Yep. There's one bath. Oh, so this is a one bath. So this is a lower price one. I think this is my Bao Nu Tien. Okay. Moi Sao 16. Yeah, this is a cheaper one because it's two bedroom, one bath.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one's 16.
So the other one was a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, from what I remember now. Yeah, so a little bit of cost saving option, but you don't have that decor, pizzazz at all. Balcony, so but not bad for 16 million. Yeah. It's Yeah.
That have to be all moved by the sofas and you table.
Right.
Probably
yeah.
Kind of just take it all out.
Exactly. Yeah. Yep. Something to consider. Okay, I was just checking if those. It just changed, so it went down. 16 million is roughly 650. Divided by 25,400. Yeah, Vietnam done 25,400. Yeah. But again, if you want to keep searching here, the thing is. Yeah. Yeah.
But this is a lot cheaper, and it will serve me to what I need it for.
Right.
And I like interior design anyway, so I would have to kind of.
Sure.
Zhuzh it.
Right. And if there's, there may be another 2 bedroom that could pop up, That's your closet here. I like the floor to ceiling windows that they have here. This is one of the things I do like about the design here. reset slice. They all have these brand new Samsung Aircons.
Yeah.
Digital inverter that's gonna save your costs on your electric. So
Is it
I always,
like, energy efficient?
yeah, it's energy efficient. Also on everything, fridge, washing machines, all that type of things. So I look out for those stickers when I'm in each of the apartments. So I want to interject right here at this part of the video. And I just wanted to point out that if you increase your budget by $100 or more, you can get a really nice, modern, fully furnished apartment here in the complex, right? So we're looking at, this will probably be the cheapest apartment in the entire complex, really. But if someone's coming, maybe you plan to do your own furnishing, this is probably a good apartment for you to save a bit of money, right? But if you want to have your pad really fully decked out, then that's what we'll find for you. So, and again, everything here with the search is custom. So everything that you tell us that your needs, your desires, your wishes, that's what the search is for, is to find exactly everything that you're looking for. And I also would mention for those with pets, this is a pet-friendly complex. So if you're traveling with your pet dogs or pet cats, this is a great place also to live. So again, hit us up, fill out the form below, and enjoy the video. Thanks again. Typically when you're negotiating, if depending on how many offers the owner has, like this one, maybe the owner doesn't have that many offers, you can like ask for like one big thing. You can try, you can be like, hey, give me a new sofa, and they'll service. No, those will be as far as the management fees.
Yeah, management.
Right. So the management fees, that's additional, but that's something you can also negotiate, right?
Yeah.
You could say 16 million. Yeah. Yeah. I know, a lot of what I can see. And they are starting to fall apart. This is a very cheap, like IKEA. Yeah, yes.
And then this is gonna not be comfortable with
Exactly.
relax.
This sofa is like $150 sofa, basically. So pretty much no investment has been done here. Just
just an empty space.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I'm trying to frame myself down.
Right. It's 36 floors here. It's
Oh my
insane.
God. That's crazy tall.
Yeah.
Wait, did
Yeah,
you
I'm
say
good
that
with
like that
20.
higher the floors, the more expensive it was? Did you say that?
Yeah. The higher floor, the price goes up. Because then also, like the view gets better.
Yeah.
You get to see more of the river view, and
as well, isn't it?
that's right.
So you don't get all the traffic.
So basically over the floor 15 is what I find. It's a good number to be at, and you're avoiding, any of the traffic noise or street level noise.
Yeah. That kind of makes sense then for sound.
Yeah. That's the owner. Okay. Ciao, go.
Cacao, ladies, ciao, cacao.
Yeah, feel free. Look at this huge table. Wow. Bench seating. We will need one on the other side, maybe. Yeah. Much nicer sofa there. Much nicer. Yeah. Large flat screen TV. Wide open kitchen. Huge fridge. Jeez, yeah, right? Yeah. And have some open space. That's that's your smallest room, I believe. Right? Got a full-size bed. And nice view, decent. Got 3 rooms, 3-bedroom apartment here. Right. The second room, yep. Bathroom is nice. Got your rainfall shower head and got a vent there. So about it then, how much is this one? That's your laundry room. So, I remember that this is cool. This is the new way to store your water bottles from now on. That is a nice touch. That's the first time I've ever seen that. That is super awesome to organize your water bottles. And those are cheap. You can buy those just like off of Lazada, and those are real cheap. Easy to assemble. Zoom, boom.
And then would you not flip it on? Oh no, you don't do it this way.
Yeah.
You do it like this, don't you?
Oh, this is like an island. you can move this. So you could potentially place, you know, and create an island. Yeah, and those water bottles like 50K per one. For one bottle, 50K on average. No, oh yeah, for the apartment. Bound of the Inn? Same, 23. Wow. Interesting. So the other one, this is a little bit bigger. The other one had a little bit more decor going on. That custom decor. Yeah, the first one, same price.
Well, a little bit more homey actually.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
bigger.
Right.
The other one felt a little bit more.
Exactly.
Like, you could be there.
Oh, could do high. So it could negotiate, could bring it down to 22.
I think I preferred it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It felt like 3 rooms, but it wasn't. Yeah, I could do that.
Right.
The room seemed comfortable.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit smaller layout. A little bit smaller square meters too. No, yeah, so it had one on one side and two on the other side. So the living room was in the middle.
Yes, so you had to, they had one, the master
Yeah, the primary was,
bedroom,
yeah,
they had two.
living
So
room,
again, it was
yeah.
still a little celebration.
Yeah, so your guest rooms are opposite side, basically. Yeah, okay. All right, right on. Yeah, it's a little bit nicer. It's a little bit mixed match here as well. A little bit of mismatch. This is soaking tub as well. The other one had a soaking bathtub. Yeah, the other one had a soaking bathtub as well. Okay. All right. So we got Eco Green. Cool. Like that's
That's going to District 9, isn't it?
no, that goes to District 2.
Two. This bridge here.
Yep.
Is that two?
That's called the Fuming Bridge. That's kind of new.
Where's the other bridge that goes towards?
There's the other District 1. Oh, there's one in District 8.
From 7? I think I've travelled there before.
7 to 9. Wait, District 9. No. Oh, yeah. So that kind of goes. So it goes to District 2 first,
Yeah.
and then if you keep going, you end up in District 9.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that's the
Yeah.
same bridge. Yeah.
Same bridge.
Yeah.
That's
So it's a
really
food.
scary.
Yeah. It's high. Yeah. That's
You're
like.
on it and your legs
Yeah.
are like, because I was scared
Look
of
at all the
heights.
neighbors,
I
yeah.
just like, just look straight ahead.
Yeah. Right.
Because
Right.
you go over, and
I
you go over,
know.
you're like, you're looking
Right. I love it.
do you?
I don't know. I love that particular bridge. I like being high up on bridge.
Do you?
Yeah.
No, it's weird.
And over
That
water.
kind-
For me, I
that
just
kind
like
of thrill,
I like
but
being
you
over
kind of
water.
feel scared as well.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, it's one of the tallest bridges. I like it.
This is actually a nice flat for a different
Yeah.
type of person.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. And like you said, as the family as well.
Yeah. Again,
Yep.
family over there, teenagers on our side.
Easy. Yeah, definitely. For all ages, right?
Yeah.
For young kids or teenagers, it's enough
You've got all
space.
of that space where people can
And
talk
potentially
in,
have an
someone sitting
office.
There, someone sitting there.
Yeah.
In a family place, you want it to be
Right.
sectioned off where everyone can feel at each other.
Right. Absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna call a car.